what are you doing? Tucker, what are you doing? On the ball. He doesn't like it so much. Hey, Tucker. Hey, Tucker. Oh.
Mommy is back.
No, I'm not going to get on your back.
Tucker, get back.
Tucker, what you eating?
Tucker.
Oh, you love this book. Yeah. Oh. Hey, Sarah, come tell me what this stuff is. Come here. Okay, tell me. Let's see. What's this?
What?
It's hard to tell. It's a snake.
Snake.
What's this?
Tree.
Trees. What's this?
Bird.
Bird. What's this?
Fishy.
Fishy. Tucker. Do you remember what this one is called? Tucker. It's a hippo.
Simple.
Hippo. What's this one? You remember?
Snake.
No. Oh, its nose does kind of look like a snake, huh? No, Sarah, it's elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah.
Go.
Remember the...
Elephant.
Oh, that's kind of like a horse. It's a zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra. Where's the other horse?
Elephant.
There's the horse. Do you remember where the tiger is?
On the tiger.
No. Which one's the tiger? You remember? Tiger.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Bat.
And that's a lion, Tucker.
Bat.
Lion.
Lion.
That's Papa.
Papa. Huh? Papa?
No. Sarah, do you see a snake on here? That's a crocodile.
Big.
Big snake. Oh, be gentle, Tucker. Oh. You're okay.
I see, Mama.
No, it's not done yet.
I see.
Okay. Say hi, world.
Hi, world.
Say bye, world.
Bye,